Hello and welcome to Insight, your online news source from the International Carwash Association. In the news, many of you have seen an Australian televised news report that questioned the quality of recycled water at certain car washes. Specifically, the report cited examples of water with high levels of bacteria, including E. coli. In response, the Australian Carwash Association highlighted the lack of documented health issues, but did state its belief that water reclamation systems should not be used in self-serve car wash environments. While the International Car Wash Association has not yet been contacted by the media on this issue, we know that the benefits of water recycling far outweigh the potential hazards. For those operators who have already installed water reclamation systems, this report should be a reminder to work with your supplier to ensure that your system's filtration, chemical, or biological treatment solutions are in good operating order. In related association news, the newest edition of The Cleaning Edge is now available. This week we've taken a look at car wash safety with a special emphasis on chemical safety.
Another thing that we should talk about is how to properly, take a hose out of a drum and move it either into a new drum or take it out for some kind of maintenance. Of course, you always want to wear gloves and have the protective, your long sleeve shirt, have a hose running, those types of things, so that as you pull the tube up out of the drum, you can wipe that tube or hose off as it comes up and then cradle the foot valve with that towel while you carry it to where you need to go with it. The wrong way to do it, of course, would be to just pull that thing right out and it's dripping all over the place, and you try to find out where you're going to put it and you're dripping stuff all over the floor, which could be a slip hazard or some other kind of an issue later on, plus just wasting product.
Also, if you would like to be featured in an upcoming edition of The Cleaning Edge, please let us know. By clicking on the link to the left, you can view a tentative list of topics for 2008 and send us your contact information. As we venture further into 2008, operators are finding themselves facing several challenges to their businesses and their bottom lines. Over the past year, we've seen drought conditions leading to water use restrictions and economic conditions leading to a constrained lending environment. Gas prices continue to rise, thereby decreasing so-called disposable income for our customers. No one in the industry has been immune to the environmental and economic challenges faced by car wash operators and suppliers. In my experience, the only winners in times like these are those who invest in themselves and their businesses. In the face of change, the worst decision a business owner can make is to not make any decision. One of the most important investments that professionals in the car wash industry can make is in their own knowledge. Gaining information on the latest technology advancements and new strategies for updating business practices is essential. The greatest opportunity to gain this information and invest in yourself and your business is at Car Care World Expo 2008, the world's largest car care trade show. For more information and to register for Car Care World Expo 2008, click on the link to the left. I would also like to remind the International Car Wash Association members that the Leadership Awards submission deadline is approaching fast. Submissions should be received by March 5th, 2008. In addition, scholarship applications for the 2008 to 2009 school year are due February 29th. For details on the Leadership Awards and scholarship applications, click on the links to the left. That's all for this edition of Insight. We'll see you again next week.